Some likable people seem to be born with high emotional intelligence. They are skilled at sending and receiving subtle signals. They are often the empathetic person you seem to warm to when you enter a room. They are the person who seem to be interested in you and they make you feel flattered. Emotional intelligence can take you further up the career ladder than a mathematical mind. Subtle signals are the unspoken cues that communicate your thoughts, feelings, and intentions to others. They can be as simple as a facial expression, a gesture, or a tone of voice. A simple smile goes far. While subtle signals are often unconscious, they can have a powerful impact on how others perceive you and choose to interact with you. Emotional intelligent people are aware of the signals they are sending out, and they are able to interpret the signals of others accurately. This allows them to build rapport, communicate effectively, and manage their relationships effectively. Emotional intelligence is something you can learn if you pay attention to it. Here are some ways to understand and use subtle signals to increase your emotional intelligence. 1. Be aware of your body language. Your body language can communicate a lot about your state of mind, often without your conscious awareness. It can either capture or lose the other person's attention. For example, if you are feeling anxious or uncomfortable, you may cross your arms or have your fingers move like a piano player's. If you are feeling confident and engaged, you may make eye contact and lean forward. Gaze into the other person's soul. Strive to be aware of your body language and ensure that it is conveying the message you intend to send. 2. Be mindful of your tone of voice. Baritone or soprano. Your tone of voice communicate a lot about your feelings. For example, if you are feeling frustrated, your tone of voice may become sharp or sarcastic. Practice the English way of a stiff upper lip is an advice in them situations. If you are feeling excited, your tone of voice may become high-pitched and enthusiastic. Be mindful of your tone of voice and make sure that it is in line with what you want to communicate. 3. Observe the subtle signals of others. The actor Oliver Reed claimed to have honed his craft by observing people in the pub. Pay close attention to the body language, tone of voice, and facial expressions of others. This can help you understand their thoughts, feelings, and intentions. For instance, if someone avoids eye contact and crosses their arms, they may be feeling uncomfortable or anxious. Conversely, if someone maintains eye contact and smiles, they are likely feeling interested and engaged. 4. Use subtle signals to build rapport. People love good listeners. It makes them feel special. Conversely, people who love to hear their own voice put other people off. When you meet someone new, use subtle signals to show that you are interested in them, and that you want to get to know them better. Make eye contact, smile, and lean forward slightly. Ask open-ended questions and listen attentively to their answers. 5. Use subtle signals to communicate effectively. When you are communicating with someone, use subtle signals to emphasize your points and to engage their attention. For example, you can use hand gestures, Italians can, to point out important information, or you can change your tone of voice to convey excitement or enthusiasm. 6. Use subtle signals to manage your relationships. Don't get caught doing this. You can use subtle signals to let others know how you are feeling and what you need. For example, if you are feeling overwhelmed, you can make eye contact with someone you trust and give them a discreet nod. This may signal to them that you need their help or support. By understanding and using subtle signals effectively, you can improve your emotional intelligence and build stronger relationships. It will also bring more you to your social life. If you find this video interesting, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.